Hello, everyone. Uh, Recently, in one of my PGMP certification training, one of my participant asked me this question that when is the case when your program business case was approved, but the program never got started in the organization or the program never got chartered or authorized. So I gave few examples, and that one of this example I would like to share with you here today. Now let's assume you have a customer who has floated an RFP for some development work, product, or any service delivery work, and this work is aligned to your organization strategic plan, and you would like to respond to this RFP. Now what happens, you will first thing you do is to respond to this RFP is you'll prepare your business case. See, you are a performing organization and there's a customer who has floated an RFP. Now, before responding to the RFP, you need to do your financial analysis that at what cost you will respond to the RFP, how much benefit you'll able to generate from this particular customer by performing this RFP work, and what are the technical risk you have, what is the you know your internal capability analysis, SWOT analysis, all these things you'll have to do before you formally respond to this RFP of a customer. So as a program manager, you have developed a very good business case which covers all of these things which we have just discussed, the cost or the investment required to fulfill the RFP, the return on investment you will get by performing the RFP work for a customer, and your technical capability analysis, your SWOT analysis, the various assumptions analysis, historical analysis, whether you have done the similar work in the past or not, and many such analysis you have done, including the customer analysis that how is the customer behavior in terms of payment to their vendors, because you will be a vendor for that customer as a vendor, but you are performing the program management work, so you will perform all such analysis, uh, and then when this as part of the business case you will perform all such things, and when your business case gets approved from your sponsor or steering committee, then you will formally respond to this particular RFP. Now it may happen that you responded to the RFP and customer uh, have also received multiple other responses for the same RFP, and the customer other vendors like you, they have a better business case and they have responded with a better response to that RFP, and you never able to sign the contract with the customer. So this is the one situation where as in your organization you have prepared a business case which is very good, which was approved by your sponsor and steering committee, but you could not able to sign the contract with the customer, and now there's no contract, so the program will never get chartered or will never get initiated in your organization. So this is one situation which I told to my participant in that PGMP training, that to charter a program or a project, you need, especially for an external customer, you need a valid business case along with an signed contract with that customer. So friends, I hope this is you like this justification. There are many other situation which I explained to my participant in that cases also. You have a valid business case, but the program or project never got chartered. I also discussed few of the cases which was purely from an internal customer perspective, that the performing organization and the customer organization is exactly the same, and in that situation your business case is approved but your program never got initiated. So probably in my next video I will also highlight some of these other situation when your business case gets approved and program still doesn't get chartered. So thank you very much friends for listening to this video. Do share your comments and feedback, and if you would like me to answer any such question on program management, project management, portfolio management, do share your question, so I will do my best to respond within my capability. And we'll see you very soon. Thank you very much, friends. Take care.